In this video, I'm going to show you how to trade Forex on Trading 212. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to switch over to CFD account. So if you are on your mobile device or if you are on the web like me, it's going to be pretty much the same thing, for the exception that these buttons up top are going to be at the bottom on your mobile device, okay? So go in the top left over here, you want to switch to CFD. Now, if you are on Invest in Crypto, just switch over, click on here, and then you can either create and open a real CFD account, or you could practice with the virtual money. It's completely up to you. I'm going to show you this with virtual money over here just for the sake of this tutorial. There we go. Now what you want to do here, you'll see your watch list and then like all the different categories of different assets, and you want to scroll towards the right here, and here it says Forex. So just click on Forex, and here you have all the different Forex currency pairs, okay? So just select the one you want to trade, for example this first one, and then over here you can see you can buy or sell. You can just click on any of these two buttons. It's going to pop up a buy or sell order depending on what you click, and then here you can of course put in the value, either in value or quantity. I'm just going to do 100 euros for the sake. There we go. You can see your units, your margin, your basically your kind of balance, stuff like that. And then you can also make it a limit or stop order if you want to, which will basically make an order to of course go through to get filled whenever it reaches a specific price. That's the first way. And then you also could do a take profit over here. You could also do a stop loss if you wanted. That's completely up to you. And then before you confirm, you can of course see the order details as well. And if you are happy with what you actually see on here, you can just click on confirm buy, and there we go. You've successfully done a trade of Forex. Now of course the same thing goes if you're trying to sell. Exact same thing. You can just put in how much you'd like to sell, click on confirm whenever you've customized everything, and there we go. That's essentially how easy it is to trade the Forex. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.